Want free crypto? Earn Sol by completing simple tasks with SolPulse right now. Stay tuned. We'll show step-by-step sign-up, earning methods, conversions, and withdrawals. Before we start, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss tips. SolPulse runs on the Solana ecosystem and is available worldwide instantly. Yes, it's legitimate. Users really earn rewards and receive real payouts that convert to Sol. Let's walk through the exact simple steps to start earning today. Step 1. Sign up using your email or social login for free. Verify your account and secure it with two-factor authentication for safety. Open the SolPulse app or web dashboard to access offers and balances. Create or connect a Solana wallet to receive Sol withdrawals securely. SolPulse supports users worldwide, so anyone in most countries can join. Now let's quickly explore the main ways to earn rewards. Primary earnings come from offer walls filled with short, quick tasks. Complete app installs, surveys, signups, play games, or watch ads for rewards. Pick offers you can finish quickly to maximize hourly rewards and payouts. Use the Referral Program to earn passive rewards from friends and followers. Share your referral link on social media, groups, or private contacts. Always follow platform rules to ensure rewards credit properly and avoid issues. When you've earned, convert credits automatically into Sol in your account instantly. Then, withdraw Sol directly to your Solana wallet address you control. Withdrawal times and fees are shown clearly before you confirm each transfer. Again, SolPulse is global and built on the fast, low-cost Solana network. Tell us in the comments what you think, share tips, and ask any questions. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and good luck.